Hi guys, today on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making the final Thanksgiving dish and the most important one. Today's recipe is a dry, brined, aromatic turkey with crispy skin. Today I'm using a 7-pound turkey for this video. Let's get it started. For the dry brine, we need 1 tablespoon brown sugar and 1/4 cup coarse salt. Grab your turkey and mix together the brown sugar with the salt. Then start rubbing it all over the turkey. Then place it on a tray and refrigerate it and cover it for 24 hours. For the herb butter, we need the zest of 2 oranges and 1 lemon. 5 crushed garlic cloves, a tablespoon black pepper, and lots of fresh rosemary. Don't throw away the stem. Throw them in your turkey pan. And finally, a stick of butter. Mix the butter with the ingredients and leave them aside for later. For the aromatics, I'm using an onion, a large carrot, an orange, a lemon, 4 celery stalks, and 3 serrano peppers. Just chop them into large pieces and line your turkey pan with them. Then pour 2 cups of water into pan. Grab your turkey and using a spoon separate the skin from the meat carefully. Then grab the butter and start sliding some under the breast skin and all over the outside of the skin. And place the turkey on the top of the aromatic in your pan. Set the oven to 400 and bake uncovered for 15 minutes per pound. Now your turkey is ready to serve. I like to plate it with some fresh ingredients around it, like seasonal oranges, grapefruits, fresh rosemary. Use whatever you have in your fridge and get creative. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you want more recipes like this, hit the subscriber button. I post weekly recipe videos. I hope you guys found these recipes helpful this week. Have a happy Thanksgiving and come back next week to see what's cooking.